Welcome to Nambri. Today we will introduce you on how to use Nambri to convert tax returns data into Excel. Nambri is a cloud-based, easy-to-use data extraction software that converts business tax forms into Excel within minutes. That means no more manual data entry. Nambri is accessible by any computer with a supported web browser and an internet connection. Nambri can process 1120 tax forms, the 1120S and 1065 tax forms, specifically, the income statements and balance sheets, along with their supporting schedules. Step 1. Begin by creating a new project. Step 2. Upload the PDF tax returns into Nambri. The company's tax returns will be uploaded and processed. When the magnifying glass turns green, it means your files are ready to be exported. To export your files, click the Export button. With Nambri, you can improve accuracy and increase efficiency. Nambri data is secure against any possible threats. Our cloud-based service adheres to the highest protocols to keep your information secure and confidential. Say goodbye to manual data entry. Get fast and efficient results. Save time with a simple click of a button and improve your analysis. Nambri is here to support you.